In today's video, I'm going to tell you how AI saved me from losing $10,000. And this is no joke. It's actually something that happened to me earlier this year that I never expected would happen. I was almost scammed by an AI-generated website. The thing is, AI is getting so good that it's becoming more and more difficult to spot fake things online. So today, I'm going to show you the website that almost scammed me. And I am going to show you some of the red flags that you need to look out for, because you could be next. Let's jump into it. So at the beginning of the year, I was looking to invest in some real estate, and I came across this website called Redfin. If you don't know what Redfin is, it's a real estate company that buys houses directly from sellers and then puts them up for sale on the market. But unlike Zillow or Opendoor, they actually have real estate agents that show the house and do all the work. And because of this, they actually tend to charge a higher fee. This is the house that I was looking to buy at the beginning of the year. It's in Nashville, Tennessee. And it looked like a really good deal. It was going for $1.2 million, and it had a lot of potential. Now, typically, I would go to Zillow or Opendoor and make an offer on a house like this. But because I wanted to work with a real estate agent, I went to Redfin. I clicked on the link in their email, and I landed on this page where I can submit my offer. Now, one of the biggest differences between Redfin and a normal real estate agent is that Redfin will instantly tell you if your offer is accepted or not. So I put in my best offer, hit submit, and then I waited. About 10 minutes later, I got a notification that my offer was accepted. I was super excited because this was a great deal. I couldn't wait to tell my wife, so I clicked on the button to share the news with her. But when I did, it took me to this weird website that didn't look like Redfin at all. It looked like a sketchy third-party website that wasn't secure, and the domain name didn't match up either. I immediately knew that something was wrong. Thankfully, I didn't give them any money or personal information, so there was nothing that they could do with my details, and I just blocked it out. But now, 3 months later, I'm starting to see these exact same ads pop up on YouTube. So if someone else almost got scammed by this, please let me know in the comments below. Now, let us talk about some of the red flags that you should look out for, because AI is making it more difficult than ever to spot fake websites. So first, let's talk about the domain name. When I visited the website, I noticed that the domain name didn't match the website. Redfin.com should have taken me to Redfin.com, but instead it took me to redfin.com. Now, a scammer could easily buy a domain name that looks similar to a legitimate website and use it to trick people into giving them their information. The second red flag is that the website didn't look right. When I went to the website, I noticed that it didn't look like the Redfin website at all. The colors were different, the fonts were different, and the layout was completely different. Now, scammers are able to use AI to generate images that look like the real thing. But when you click on them, they take you to a fake website. The third red flag is that I got an email from someone other than the intended recipient. When I signed up for Redfin, I gave them my email address. But when I got the email from someone other than the intended recipient, it was a red flag. AI can be used to scrape websites for email addresses and then use them to send spam emails. And finally, the fourth red flag is that the message was too good to be true. When I saw the message saying that I had been selected for a free stock photo, I immediately knew that it was too good to be true. AI can be used to create convincing messages that are designed to trick people into clicking on links or downloading files. Thankfully, I didn't fall for it, but I know that other people might not be as lucky. So please be careful and always do your research before clicking on any links or submitting any personal information. And if you know someone who might fall for this scam, please share this video with them so they can be aware. Thanks for watching.